In this video lesson, we're going to learn all about arachnids and the different types of arachnids. Our objective for today is to be able to describe the general characteristics of arachnids, as well as 4 different types of arachnids. Your vocabulary for today includes arachnids and abdomen. Spiders, mites, ticks, and scorpions are all in the group arachnids. And these are the arachnids that people most often meet. Arachnids are arthropods with 2 body sections, 4 pairs of legs, and no antennae. So that's your definition for arachnids. Again, the definition for arachnids, one of your vocabulary words, is arthropods with 2 body sections, 4 pairs of legs, and no antennae. Their first body section is a combined head and midsection. The hind section, called the abdomen, is the other section. The abdomen contains the reproductive organs and part of the digestive system. Spiders, one group of arachnids, are probably the most familiar and most feared and most fascinating kind of arachnid. Now, all spiders are predators, and most of them eat insects. Some of them, like the tarantulas and the wolf spiders, can actually run down their prey. Others, such as golden garden spiders, will actually spin sticky webs to trap their prey. Spiders have hollow fangs through which they inject venom into their prey. Spider venom turns the tissues of the prey into mush. Later, the spider uses its fangs like drinking straws and sucks in the food. In spite of what some people might think, spiders rarely bite people. When spiders do bite, their bites are often painful but not life-threatening. However, the bite of a brown recluse or a black widow may require hospital care. Now, mites are another group of arachnids, and if chiggers have ever given you an itchy rash, then you've had an unpleasant encounter with these tiny arachnids called mites. Chiggers and many other mites are parasites. Ear mites, for example, give dogs and cats itchy ears. Mites are everywhere. Even the cleanest houses have microscopic dust mites. If you are allergic to dust, you may actually be allergic to the exoskeletons of dust mites. In addition to living in dry areas, mites also live in fresh water and in oceans. Now, scorpions, another type of arachnid, live mainly in hot climates and are usually active at night. During the day, scorpions hide in cool places like under rocks and logs or in holes in the ground, for example. And at the end of its abdomen, a scorpion has a spine-like stinger. The scorpion uses the stinger to inject venom into its prey, which is usually a spider or another insect. Our last group are the ticks, and if you've ever spent any time out in the woods of Pennsylvania, you certainly have probably encountered ticks. Ticks are parasites, and they live on the outside of a host animal's body. Nearly every kind of land animal has a species of tick that sucks its blood. Some ticks that attack humans can carry diseases. Lyme disease, for example, is spread by the bite of an infected deer tick. You can see a picture of a deer tick here on the screen. And you can see in reality, the deer tick is just a few millimeters long. It's very small.